dalchini, we've taken elaichi, the green one, and we've taken 2 Badi Elaichis, and we've taken a few cloves and a few black pepper, you know, the seeds, the black pepper seeds that come. I think that would be enough. These add a really good flavor to the chicken, and I would highly recommend you to put them when the oil is really hot. You just need to lower the heat when you're putting these in. So right now, as we can see, our oil has started to heat up. We will add our dry spices, which is this dry spice mixture. So we'll just add in there. We're keeping the flame on medium so that the spices don't get burnt out. Stir them a little so that the flavor gets infused with the oil. Once you can see the smell coming up, saute the onions until they become a good brown color. Onions add a really great flavor to chicken, so I'm not using any tomatoes in this recipe because I wanted to give it a new look. Chicken has always been cooked in Indian homes in the simple way. We make Indian curries, Indian chicken curries, which is the most preferred family dinner. I think in terms of chicken, we don't experiment that much. So today I'm trying something new. I hope you guys enjoy eating this, and also please share this recipe with your friends.
नहीं आ रहा मोटर नहीं आ रही इनसे पानी नहीं आ रहा.
Now we'll put these in. So I've taken 4 green chilies, 10 cloves of garlic, and 2 inches piece of ginger. We'll add this mix to our masala. Ginger and garlic is a secret of the Indian household, I guess, because they add the most flavor to any dish or recipe. We let this cook for about 1 to 2 minutes until the rawness of the ginger and the garlic is gone. You can see the beautiful colors that it is coming out in. I think at this point I'd like to add our chicken and all the other spices. Once the rawness is gone, I think it's time for you to put your spice mix, and you can also pre-marinate the chicken with curd and the ginger garlic paste because it will taste better if you marinate it. But I've used the unmarinated version of the chicken for this recipe. Now that you can see that the chicken has turned a bit brown, we'll add 1 cup of curd. We'll add our spice mix as well. I'm adding 1 tablespoon salt for half kg chicken. This is more than half kg actually. This is 700 grams. So you can add salt according to your taste, how much soever you prefer. I'm adding 1 tablespoon here. Now we'll add some jeera. This is roasted jeera. So instead of using jeera powder, I am just using the normal jeera only over here. So you have to add 1 tablespoon of the jeera. Kashmiri Laal Mirch. We don't need to use a lot of this because we've already added green chilies into this. So we are just gonna take half a tablespoon of red chili powder. Kashmiri Laal Mirch gives a really good color to the chicken. So make sure you add it. We'll be taking almost 1/4 tablespoon of black pepper powder. My favorite thing, coriander powder. We'll add 2 tablespoons of this. Chicken tastes really great when you cook it in dhania powder. Now we'll add Kitchen King. This is completely optional. If you want, you can skip this part. And last but not the least, the Garam Masala, which adds to the flavor. That's it. We are done with our spices. Now we'll give it a nice stir. We'll coat the entire chicken in the spices. Remember, while adding all these spices, you need to keep your flame on a low. You can also keep it on a medium, but I would recommend you that each time you add any ingredient, you should keep your flame on to a low. Can you see how delicious this looks already? It will come out even more yummy when you taste it. Do visit our channel Soul Curry for more recipes like these. So as we can see, the chicken is entirely coated in the spice. Now we will just add this on the top and we'll roast it for about 5 to 10 minutes until the juices of the chicken are mixed well with the spices, and then we will just put 3 whistles on the cooker in the cooker in order to cook the chicken. we'll add our coriander, which is the last step. You can see there's a really beautiful color that has come up. We'll be adding some coriander. I added 3/4 glass of water in this recipe, but you can choose to skip it as well. It doesn't make a major difference as such. So I've taken 3 tablespoons of coriander, and we'll just put it out here. And our chicken is ready to be served. You can serve this with brown rice, which I recommend you to eat because they are healthy, or you can use chapatis, wheat chapatis, and enjoy it and tell me how it came out. And do subscribe my channel. The name of my website is soulcurry.co.in. You can find other recipes on my website other than this. Thank you so much for watching this video.